Go.
Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading again. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Hamilton 20-gallon scrape agitated kettle. It's a single motion with twin baffles inside with a variable speed drive. As you can see, it has a fully jacketed body. It's rated for 40 PSI at 267. Jim, come on in, let's get a look inside here. It also has a flush seating 2-inch sanitary PBM ball valve underneath. It has scrapers around the discharge, which is nice to have. You can see the two baffles in there on each side. They're 5 by 9 inches, and you can turn them into any position you want. The unit also has a 1 horsepower variable speed drive. I'm going to turn the speed up a little bit for you there. It's manually operated. It also has an explosion-proof motor, which is Underwriters Laboratory rated for Class 1 Group D. Goes down from about, I think it's about 14 to about 50 RPM, so it's a real nice range. It also, as you notice, at the top of the kettle, has a mounting up there for a clamp type mixer, which you could easily operate while the agitator is running because of the anchor design. It's all stainless steel construction, of course, out of food grade service. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. We have lots of kettles in our stock that you can look through. Our website is updated daily, so come and visit us.